Welcome back. Today's showcase is our Vengeant Blizzard made for Marseilles Fire Department in Marseilles, Illinois. We feature an F550 chassis, a BuckStop super single conversion kit with a ThunderStruck front bumper. The ThunderStruck bumper features a turret mount. We have a Elkhart brass Brush Hawk turret gun. We have a front winch receiver. We have Whelen Par 36 fog lights. We have our in-house machined ground sweep nozzles. We can cover 42 feet of coverage with those nozzles. We have Whelen M4 duos. We have a Whelen Summit stick. Duo red-white with built-in marker lights. As we move around to the side, we have the Whelen 500V single color red with built-in puddle light. We have our Kuzma auto eject, our custom in-house badges. All the graphics you'll see today were produced and installed by our market graphics team. We have a Whelen Liberty 2 Duo light bar, red-white. We have our amp research fold down steps. We have a 1500 GPM pump produced by Hale. We have Akron electronic valves on that pump as well for some of the discharges. We have a Streammaster 2 remote deck gun. We have DNS hose bed covers. Our crosslays, 2 crosslays, 150 feet of engine 3/4 in either of those. We have FireTech pole lights on the front of the module as well. Zyco pull-out steps for access to the top of the pump house. The marker lights are Technique S34s, which we turn blue when the pump is in gear. We have the Whelen M9 single color red, warning light up high, the FireTech Guardian Elite scene lights. The top of the module is PPC'd. We have Hansen roll-up doors, aluminum C-channels, powder-coated black. We have side receivers. With weatherproof Anderson plugs. Street Side 1 compartment features a custom-made pull-out toolboard. The electronics compartment and the remote control mount for the Streammaster 2 deck gun. We have cast product SCBA tubes. The street side 2 compartment features an adjustable shelf and a out and down shelf as well. We have our fuel fill door, which matches the remainder of the SCBA cylinder tube doors. We have a set of Zyco wheel chocks to the rear of the rear wheel. Street side 3 compartment features 2 adjustable shelves. All our corner compartments also have 120 volt receptacles, which work off of shoreline power. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, we have the Whelen M9 warning lights up high. Below that is the FireTech Guardian Elite scene lights. We have our innovative control flip down steps, which are backlit. Hansen backlit grab rails. We have storage for 2 9-foot 6-inch hard suctions. We have our ladder storage area under our hose bed, which features a 16-foot extension ladder, a 10-foot roof ladder, an area for 2 New York hooks, and 4 fire brooms. We also feature a booster reel with 150 feet of 1-inch booster line. We have our backup camera tucked in our panel. And then we have a rear chain box door for small storage of whatever the customer needs to put in there. We have a portable winch. We have a 12,500 pound super winch on a portable cradle that will move to all 4 sides of the vehicle wherever the customer would need. We also have our Zyco pull-out steps for ease of access to the tailboard. All the black material you're seeing today is PPC'd in-house. Passenger side of the vehicle features the Whelen M9 warning lights, the FireTech Guardian Elite scene lights, and it mimics the driver's side. The curbside 3 compartment features 2 adjustable shelves. Our mud flaps are made in-house as well. They feature our wheel weights with our Vengeant logo. The curbside 2 compartment features 1 out and down shelf. The curbside 1 compartment features 3 adjustable shelves. And then, of course, we have our side hitch receiver with our weatherproof Anderson plug. Below that compartment, we have another FireTech pole light. This truck also features a pump and roll option. So we have an access panel for your Harrison hydraulic reservoir to check and fill that. And then we have our LDH discharge on this side as well. And another Zyco pull out step for ease of access. And then our front mud flaps also custom cut in-house. Our interior features a custom made in-house console out of 3/4 inch birch plywood, Raptor line. We'll start at the top. We have a RAM GDS mount for customer provided iPad. We have our Whelen core controller. We have a voltage regulator meter. We have our air gauge for our onboard air system. We have our Parker controller for our pump and roll. We have our turret gun joystick. We have our Hale pump shift. Our pump and roll features our booster reel and our front ground sweeps. The booster reel also will work off our midship pump. We have a customer supplied mobile radio, 2 cup holders. As we move to the rear, we have flashlights, USB chargers, portable radio, chargers, another set of cup holders for those rear passengers, stream lights, a future mounting area above those stream lights for whatever the customer deems. This vehicle also features Bostrom SCBA seats and FireTech wireless headsets. We also use the upfitter switches for our left and right ground sweeps. Gives a customer control over which ground sweep in the front bumper they would like to use. They can do left, right, or both at the same time. We're in park right now, and as you can see, our ground lights are activated. Our puddle lights are activated as well for additional ground lighting. This is slider position 1 in drive. What you're seeing now is slider position 2 in drive. You're now seeing slider position 3 in drive, which adds the white flash. And then we're going to feature our scene lighting. All our scene lighting is controlled individually with buttons on our core controller. So we have our left scene, our right scene, our front scene, rear scene, and also our pole lights individually controlled. We'd like to thank the Marseilles Fire Company and our sales dealer, AEC Fire, for trusting in Vengeant Apparatus.